Hello everybody, before this video starts, like and subscribe and yeah, do all that fun stuff. So I am really proud of myself because I woke up early. I woke up at 6, went to bed at 11, which is one of my times that I want to wake up and go to bed. So I'm really proud of myself. It's just I am not a morning person, so the adjustment it's horrible. So the adjustment is terrible, and with that, I am going to take a little nap. By little, I probably mean a big nap, because I am not a little nap person. I am a big nap person. So yeah, I am going to take a nap, but I thought I would get a little bit ready, because later I will be filming some other content, so I thought I would get a little bit ready, and then when I wake up I would get fully ready. So I just wanted to show everybody my outfit. So this is my outfit for today. We have this tank top, these pants. I don't know where this outfit is from, really. And then we're not wearing much jewelry today. We're just wearing this bracelet, obviously. But no, I am so tired, so I will update you guys when something happens, or like whenever I wake up. Hello everybody, I just woke up from a nap and I am still tired. Like, it's just a tiring day today, but we have stuff to do, so we're just going to relax for a couple more minutes, and then we are going to get motivated and do stuff. So yeah, so last night we had and the night before we had a really bad couple of rainstorms. Like, I know somewhere there was a hurricane and we got the like edge of the hurricane. Dude, it was so scary. My dog was shaking. I was shaking. Like, my anxiety was peaking last night. It was bad. So it was bad. It was terrible. So I hope that everybody was okay for the people that were in the hurricane. Again, I don't know where it was. So yeah, I have no idea where it was. But I am going to end this video right here. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, leave a comment, like, share, leave a big thumbs up on this video. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.